Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we got this Amy who bought 1.5 liters of orange juice and she drank 200 ml of it. The first thing that caught Mr. Tan's eye is the different units being used here. So I am going to do the very first thing. I am going to convert and ensure that the units are the same. So this one will be equals to, I just need to multiply by 1000 to give me 1500 ml. Find the amount of the remaining juice as a percentage of the original volume. Alright, we have the original volume already, 1500. So step 1, I would then want to find the remaining juice, and I could do this, okay? So the percentage that is required or the required percentage is therefore equals to, well, she drank 200 ml, okay? Originally is 1500. I just need to take away 200 and this will be my remaining juice. This is my remaining juice. And this one will be over the original, and I just need to multiply by 100%, and therefore the final answer will be equals to 86.667%. This is to 5 significant figures. Final answer to live in 3 significant figures. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.